be number 1. The rule is called the product rule. And the product rule states log n base b of a plus log n base b of c equals log n base b of a times c. Notice here that if you are adding two logarithms, you can condense it into a single logarithm and multiply the two arguments together. Now that is the inverse operation of exponents, where if you remember exponents, if you have x to the third times x to the fifth, you are actually multiplying here. And what do you do with the exponents? Well, you add them. This is the inverse, where you are adding logarithms, and what do you actually do with the arguments? You multiply them. Again, logarithms, exponentials related to each other. So here is a typical example. Keep in mind it usually works this way, although you should probably know both ways. But typically I'll give you two separate logs and you condense it to one. So log n base 2 of 8 plus log n base 2 of 2. Now you could do these separately, but let's just use the product rule. That would be log n base 2 of 8 times 2, which is log n base 2 of 16, which actually will just equal 4.